Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate source for the latest in tech news from around the globe. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming content. Now, let's dive right in. Today, we're talking about something pretty incredible that's happening over in India. In a recent interview with the Economic Times, none other than Sam Altman, yes, the Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, shared some incredible insights about the country's adoption of artificial intelligence, particularly the AI chatbot ChatGPT. Now, if you aren't familiar with ChatGPT, it's an AI developed by OpenAI, and it's quite an impressive piece of tech. It's a conversation model, and it's been making waves in AI news. But here's where it gets interesting. Altman shared an inspiring story from India that really brings to light the potential of AI in our everyday lives. In the very first weeks of launching ChatGPT, an Indian farmer who previously had trouble accessing government services managed to do so with the help of ChatGPT and WhatsApp. Now, isn't that something? This story truly speaks volumes about the role of AI and how it can bring tangible benefits to real people in real-life situations, regardless of where they are in the world. ChatGPT isn't just some abstract concept. It's technology with a purpose, making a difference on the ground where it matters. But as the world embraces AI and its potential, it's also essential to consider its implications and the need for regulation. Altman himself discussed this with none other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his recent trip to India. He highlighted the need for government involvement in the tech space and also encouraged them to consider how they can integrate such technology into their existing services. Remember, folks, with great power comes great responsibility. Now, moving on to the business end of things, it looks like India's startup scene has caught Altman's eye. Instead of setting up a company center or a research lab, he's actually open to funding startups in the country. And let's not forget the potential impact of AI on education. Altman and OpenAI seem pretty excited about this. All in all, it's clear that India is embracing AI at an impressive pace. The success story of the farmer accessing government services via ChatGPT, the talks between Altman and PM Modi, and the focus on startups, it all sign.